Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here, how you guys doing? This is a versus, but it's also kind of intermixed. I'm driving a car. Kind of intermixed with a Mike Eats the Street. I'm doing a versus Taco Bell versus Del Taco. Bean burritos. They both make killer diller. What's this? Look at this. This is crazy. Both make killer diller bean burritos. And I'm going to compare them. We're going to do a versus called Taco Bell versus Del Taco Bean Burrito Battle. Check this baby out. This is going to be the simplest order ever at Taco Bell. Watch this. We're going to try their sauces too.
Welcome to Taco. What can I get started for you?
Hey, how you doing? Can I just get a bean burrito, please? That's all I want. Just a
Any
bean.
sauce?
Excuse me?
Any sauce?
Like a mild sauce on the side, yeah.
All right, just up to the window.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, Taco Bell's down. I'm going to get this. I'm going to drive to the Del Taco. I'm going to put this baby together. All right, now it's Del Taco. Remember, it's Taco Bell versus Del Taco. So we're going through the drive-through at Del Taco, and I'm going to order the exact same thing.
Welcome to Taco. What can I make for you today?
Hey, hi. Can I get a bean burrito with red sauce?
One bean burrito with red sauce. Would you like to add sour cream today?
What's that?
Would you like sour cream on your burrito?
No, of course not.
Okay.
Thank you very much. That's all I want. Thank you.
171.
You order one thing and they want to give you another thing. You want sour cream on it. Yeah, if I wanted sour cream, I would have asked for it. All right. Here's that's the Taco Bell. There's the Taco Bell. There's Del. I'm going to put them both together. See if that's going to be for the thumbnail. Straighten your head, Mike. Center it, you idiot. And then this one. Now we'll put the real one. Okay, this is the Del Taco. A lot of chewing, huh? This one, not enough red sauce. The burrito tastes a little chewy and hard. That's what she said. Okay. Not that inspired by that one. The Del Taco had a open fold. This one has both of them closed. So you're going to get a little more tortilla in this one. Okay, this is Taco Bell. Right off, I taste a little more sauce, a little more juice, a little more zazazoo. But it is thick with the tortilla also. All right, let's keep going. Here's the Taco Bell mild sauce. So we're going to try the Taco Bell sauce on the Taco Bell bean burrito. You can see it. I'm doing it right there. I'm not lying. I just got it all over my shirt. All right. I mean, no big deal. The sauce is just sitting there like a wet noodle. Okay, that's Taco Bell. Notice tacos in both words, taco, and then one's Bell and one's Del. And then that was a... I like the taste of this one too. All right, let's try there. And there's their mild sauce. Okay, open that baby up. Put that baby on here. No one's kidding. All right, try that. Oh, that's a lot of sauce, Mike. All right, try this one. like any fast food place, you have to judge it by where you go. They're both bean and cheese burritos. They're both good. And I think it's just up to you on which one you prefer. And you got to find your favorite place. I mean, I live in the town in which I live is, I think there's 3 Taco Bells or 4 Taco Bells, and there's at least 2 or 3 Del Tacos. Well, the fact that I'm continuing to eat the Del Taco makes me think that maybe I like it better. I think I like their sauce better, their mild sauce. I've had some where there's more red sauce, prevalent, and okay, I don't want to make a decision unless I have one more bite of it. This is the Taco Bell. I mean, I like them both. I don't want to insult anyone. The beans at Taco Bell, I think there's more lard in them, and I think they're a little heavier, more heavy-handed. This is a conundrum. Look at me. Yeah, that could be a thumbnail. They're both delish. Oh my God, she gave me a hot sauce. Look at it. She gave me a Taco Bell hot sauce. We'll try this one. She was kind of a interesting young lady. Okay, we'll try a little Taco Bell hot sauce. What's this one? Hot sauce has a nice little bite to it. That's what she said. All right, Mike cops out. Taco Bell versus Del Taco bean burrito battle. Combination of versus and Mike Eats the Street. I'm going to keep doing these because these are fun. Except for the resolution. Mike copped out. They're both good. It depends on what style you like. I can't pick a winner. Chicken dinner. Now they're both so destroyed, I don't even know which one is which anymore. I'm not going to lie. I actually think the Del Taco one, I like their red sauce better. There you have it. They're both pretty good. Pretty good. The one thing you have to worry about is they're high in sodium, but they're good protein for you if you want to have some plant-based protein. So there you have it. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. And watch all my other videos. Until next time. Peace. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Live life 365.
Mike Foster here. And then he burps. Something's wrong with him. I mean, what do you think about that? Eh? Pretty good. We'll do it. Here we go. It's versus. It's a combination of versus and Mike Eats the Street. I never thought of it. Don't get them confused. That's Taco Bell. Yeah. Oh, that was a burp. Here's Del's Tacos. Not Del. That's Taco Bell. You're so stupid. I gotta go to the dry cleaners. Yeah, right off I taste that. Of course, I can read the ingredients. What? Who could read those? Maybe an 8-year-old. What's wrong with them? I could call it Cinco de Burrito. That's the hot one right there. No, that's the mild one. Where's the hot one? Sweet Babu and baby little ba 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 ran ba 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 ran. Come take my hand, Barbara Ran. Okay, he's insane.